Hello everyone and welcome back. Last year I did a EDC video or an everyday carry video for 2024 about basically the stuff that I would carry every day. And in 2025 I wanted to do a bit of an update, but then I thought, well, I carry most of the same stuff. But then I started to kind of go over things that I would use on a daily basis or carry with me a little more often. So last year I had like my big knife. I don't carry that thing every day, but I added it in the video because I did use it quite often. So basically you can go back and check out the old video, but I just wanted to give a bit of an update for 2025. This little setup here is the everyday carry stuff that I keep in my backpack pretty much at all times. I went to the Costco Business Center and I got this 7,000 lumen Infinity X1 flashlight, mostly just for nights when I'm working or whatever and I have to go on the lot at the dealership and I can't see anything. So I got that. It'll light up pretty much anything you need. Above that is the orange knife from Morgan Cohen's that I did a knife review on. That has very quickly become my everyday carry in 2025 that I have on me every day. It's in my pocket everywhere I go. It is super handy, super good build quality. Above that is my old GoPro Hero Session with a suction cup. This is the camera that I use for all of the footage in my car. I stick it to the window and it is the easiest, best thing to use. I wish GoPro still made them. I also have a GoPro Hero 8 Black edition that I also did an unboxing on. I don't use it as often just because I find this one's quite a bit easier and the battery lasts longer, ironically. And then you'll notice a controller on the one side and then a drone on the other side. Is the DJI Mavic Air 2S. This is the drone that I literally carry in my backpack every day. There are days when I use it and then sometimes I'll go weeks without it. I love this thing. I use every chance I get to have an opportunity to fly the drone, to get cool footage, to do whatever. Shoots good quality video, easy to kind of fold up and put away or take out quick. I also have an Osmo that I use just for camera stabilizing footage. Another Osmo that has a 4K camera on it that I've used as well. But yeah, it's very quick. That is my everyday carry update for 2025. So tune in for 2026 because I'm sure I'm going to add something. As always, like, share, and subscribe. I like having interaction with people and helping the channel grow, and I'll see you next time.